Hi, my name is Nancy. I'm from Upham's Corner News. I'd like to show you how I use Sitemapper. It's an unusual way to use it. It may not be what it was originally designed for, but I find it to be very effective. I have a very busy website because I upload a lot of news articles. Sometimes I lose track of what I've uploaded. It could be test files, it could be renamed files. I want to make sure that what is up on my public website, which the spiders will all see, is exactly what needs to be up there. I also need to know what I've uploaded so that I can add these files to my indexes. As much as I may try to keep track of this manually, in reality, it's much better to have a piece of software like Sitemapper that goes out and actually documents what's really up there. So I'm deeply appreciative of that. And I'd like to show you how I use it. First of all, I have Sitemapper set up so that it does not automatically open the last CSM file. It shows here untitled. Open. In this case, I'm going to open the base file that I created a couple weeks ago. You'll see in the first column called Page a bunch of file names that, for example, begin with art or begin with Boston NAACP or business. These are all renames of the original files, title names, and Sitemapper allows me to do that. I did that so that I could actually sort all of these articles into categories that I'm interested in. And in this particular case, don't worry about what this is for, but currently the map selection is both. I need to find a way to update this with file names that I can isolate out as new files. And the way I've chosen to do that is through the map column. In options, map type, in this particular case, I'm going to select HTML only as opposed to both. So I click OK, edit, update my sitemap. I don't need to fill anything in here. I only want to add new pages found. I click OK, and you'll see down here that the URLs are starting to be found, and in a matter of minutes, it will be finished. And I'll be right back. Well, that was really fast. In less than 2 minutes, it has gone through my entire website comparing what is in the CSM file against what is on the website. Notice it says here HTML only. The new files have been entered into the list in the same order they were originally in here, which is sorted by page. So as I move the cursor down, the elevator down, I see the new files scattered throughout. What I'd like to do is have all of the new files at the top, so I sort by type. And now what I'd like to do is extract all of these so that I can do things with them on my website. The way I'm going to do that is I'm going to create a sitemap. In this case, I'm going to call it sitemap followed by the date, which is January 27, 2013. I'm going to say save. And what will be written to the website is a file that I can open with the Coffee Cup editor. And I can extract from the Coffee Cup editor, using the Coffee Cup editor, all of the new file names and do anything I want with them. At this stage, what I need to do is now create a new base file. The new base file cannot have a mixture of identifiers in the map column. It has to be all the same, both or anything else, but it doesn't matter, but it cannot be a mixture. So the way I do that is I don't want to save this, I open the same file again. And this time I'm going to select an option of both so that the new update will not have anything different in this particular column. And when I save that, it will become the basis for the next time I update the sitemap. So I'm going to say edit, update my sitemap, and I say OK, and I'll be right back. Again, very fast, the update went really quickly. Notice here, The new file, I recognize it, 12th annual, is labeled both. So everything in this column is undifferentiated, and that's exactly what we want for the next time I update the sitemap. So I'm going to say File, Save As, and I'm going to save it as the file, theuphamscornernews.com, followed by the date.csm. At this stage, I'm now able to close the sitemap program, and the next time I open it, when I've uploaded a bunch of files on my website and just want to make sure that everything's okay, I can start with that January 27, 2013 file and repeat the same process. I'm very excited about that, and I hope you are too. Thanks, and have a great day. Bye-bye.